brand new Blu-Jet DiscCover Sealer on the lot this year that we're showing, of course, for the first time at Farm Broad Red Show. It mounts to the edge bent shank or a 1x2 flat shank, depending on what you have. And it's a double disc sealer that has a free floating independent arm, kind of like our last sealer did. It rides right back here in operation. So what we're doing with this sealer is we're actually taking the blowout from the knife and shaping and forming and sealing before it ever sits down. So instead of having a big concave blade that sits back here and digs up on the shank, we have something that's nice and close and works with the knife to either seal the slot or even build a berm in a strip till situation. Something that's different and new on the DiscCover Sealer as opposed to the old SEALPRO II is we have a nice no maintenance bearing down here on the bottom that has zero grease points to it. We did put a couple grease points up here on the pivot arm because that's something that customers were asking for in the last one. And just like the SEALPRO II, you can get a bolt-on spring package so you can have a little down pressure here if you want to. The idea of these being independent is if residue builds up around this area here, one arm will lift up, let that residue through, and then set back down. It's all about acres per hour and efficiency. We had farmers coming to us and asking, how can we be more efficient with our product? What can we do to increase our acres per hour? And when we're talking about actual acres per hour as opposed to theoretical acres per hour, it's all about keeping that machine working in the field. And so reducing some of the maintenance points and allowing maybe a little less residue to plug up and things like that are two ways we can increase our acres per hour efficiency.